Hey everyone, my name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today we are going to talk about that dreaded laundry pile stock up problem. So, we have a lot of clients that struggle with not necessarily doing laundry, but it seems to be that there's a backup somewhere in the system for laundry. So, what we like to do is we first start at the root of the problem. The root of the problem is typically there's nowhere to put these clean clothes away. And so that starts a whole backlog of if I can't put it away, then I'm not going to wash it. And then more piles are created, or even then we do it, but it just ends up piling up amongst other wardrobe items, closets, dressers, but it doesn't actually get put away. So we're going to go back to the basics, the meat and potatoes, when we get in a situation like this. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to optimize the closet. We're going to optimize the wardrobe for things that you actually like, things that you actually wear, things that you actually use on a daily and weekly basis. Those are going to be the outfits you feel great in, the ones that are your go-to, right? Even if it's not what you think should be in your closet, that really needs to be our first priority area. So optimizing the clothes that we have. And then secondly is donating or purging clothes that we no longer like, that no longer fit us. And then part of that could also be seasonal. So if we are just strictly running out of room, we want to do a good swap out. Now's a great time of year. We're going to put out our summer, our spring, and probably put away fall and winter. We can tote that up, store it somewhere else, label it, give yourself a new opportunity to just pare down for what you think you're going to wear in this season. So if we can optimize every person in your household's closet or wardrobe, laundry becomes so much easier, because then now we're creating space to put things away that we are actually wearing. They are actually in rotation, and that can be truly transformative if you're feeling stuck in the laundry cycle. So if you're feeling stuck, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, give it a shot. Start in the closet and let me know how it goes. We'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.